SoundHound, an event you cannot afford to miss. Look below me on the big screen. Live from Las Vegas, Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, is giving a keynote speech, and we believe NVIDIA will very much move tomorrow night along with SoundHound. Join us for it. We've got full charts for it as well on the main channel. Go and check them out. But you want to make sure that you join us live tomorrow night for this event. It goes live after the closing bell. We'll be there live. Look below in the description of this video for the links and the linked video as well, and you can be there with us live. SoundHound, an explosive night. We think that this is going to break $30. Join us.